Welcome back to another video. Soil here, and today I want to discuss a new version of MACD that generates highly accurate and perfect signals. To add this indicator on TradingView platform, here we click on indicators and we search AK MACD. This one, AK MACD BB indicator, which is written by someone named AlgoKit. To have a comparison with the original MACD, we also add this MACD to our chart. Alright, as you can see, we have the old and original version of MACD here at the bottom, and this is the new version of MACD. By new, I don't mean that it's just introduced recently. Actually, it was introduced in 2015, but in compared to the original one, which was created in the late 1970s, it can be considered a new one. This indicator is actually a combination of MACD and Bollinger Bands. This blue area that you see here is actually a Bollinger Band with length of 10 and deviations of 1, which is calculated for the MACD. And for the MACD, we have 12, 26, and 9 for the fast length, slow length, and signal length, which are the default length for MACD on most of trading platforms. The difference here is that we don't have MACD line, signal line, and MACD histogram, and instead we have these small circles or dots that change color between green and red, as you can see. One of the factors for color changing of these dots is MACD line and signal line crossovers, or in other words, the color changing of the MACD histogram. But it's not the only factor, and it also depends on the situation of dots in relation to this Bollinger Band, which affects the color changing of the dots. Also, the color of candles change to yellow and aqua color in some situations depending on the indicator signals. Alright, now let's see how this indicator helps us in trading. When these dots change color to green, and when the green dot is or goes above the Bollinger Band, the according candle becomes yellow, and this gives us a bullish signal that the price is gonna advance. Please pay attention that this signal is confirmed only when this candle is closed in yellow color, and you can see that how after this signal the price advances in this part while the green dots continue moving above the Bollinger Band. When we get the first dot inside the Bollinger Band, which is a red dot here, it means that the advancing of the price stopped for either making a correction or pullback, or the price may turn to a downtrend. On the other hand, when the dots change color to red and the red dots go below the Bollinger Band, the according candle turns to aqua color, and it gives us the bearish signal. And you can see how the price declined in this period while the red dots continue moving below or on the Bollinger Band, as you can see. When we get the first dot inside the Bollinger Band, it means that declining of the price stopped for either making a correction or pullback, or the price may turn to an uptrend. Here again you see that after we had a green dot above the Bollinger Bands and then the candle closed in yellow color, you can see that the price advanced up to here when we get the first dot inside the Bollinger Band. After that, here we got a bearish signal which didn't last too much, and again another bullish signal which happened here, and the price advanced up to here. Please pay attention that these signals are for catching every turning points of the market, and it's suitable for catching short-term movements of the market. In compared to the original MACD crossover signals, this indicator uses one more step confirmation to filter some of the false signals generated by the original MACD. But still it can provide false signals because this indicator shows short movements of the market. For example, here after this signal, the price declined, but not in the expected way, and it was just a correction or pullback in the middle of this advancing of the price. One good way to improve this is taking only the signals that are in the direction of the market. For example, we could avoid this signal because the MACD line is above 0, showing that the trend is up. This is just an example, and in practice, to get the most out of this indicator, you need to use it in a trend following strategy in conjunction with other tools, so the generated signals would provide you the highest accuracy possible. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and leave a comment for me. I'll answer your questions as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell so you get the notifications of my new videos. See you guys in next video, and good luck with your trading.